Big things can indeed come in small packages. Just take a look at your tiny bathroom. Because of the limited square footage and opportunities to change the layout, it's common to write off a small bathroom as a design afterthought. But in reality, a powder room or guest bath offers a great chance to experiment with a bold color palette, eye-catching tiles, or cool hardware. And with the right design tricks, you can easily strike a balance between form and function, regardless of your bathroom size. 1. Go in a different direction. Don't think you have room for a bath and a separate shower? Rather than positioning fixtures squarely, try repositioning your bathtub at an angle to better fit the available space. The unusual layout evokes a bijou feel, while the relaxed, jaunty angle will soften the stark, uniform lines of many modern washrooms. 2. Cut corners. In a small scheme, it's important to avoid common bathroom design mistakes that can leave a bathroom feeling cramped, such as trying to fit unsuitable off-the-shelf units into a snug space. To free up a few centimeters of room and create an easy flow, opt for a bespoke, rounded vanity. Go for a wall-mounted model to open up the floor and create the illusion of a larger space. 4. Liven up lighting. The latest lighting technology can transform the smallest of bathrooms. Line alcoves with low-level LED strip lighting to create an atmospheric space to take a relaxing soak at the end of a long day. 4. Make it monochrome. Stick to a simple two-tone color scheme of black and white for a fail-safe formula in a dazzling small washroom. All white tiles will elongate the space no end, while all black accents add a classic, sophisticated contrast. 5. Slimline your shower bath. So, you have a small bathroom but don't want to sacrifice your modern shower bath? No problem. Wall-mounted slimline baths are narrower but not shorter, so you can still enjoy a long, hot soak whenever you want. 6. Shrink your roll-top bath. Having a small bathroom doesn't mean waving goodbye to your dreams of a statement roll-top bath. Tubby-style baths designed for petite dimensions are shorter but deeper, offering up all the room you need for a long, indulgent bubble bath. 7. Lose the bath. If you're not partial to a soak, you may want to consider removing the bathtub entirely. It'll free up plenty of room for a large, luxurious walk-in shower, complete with a rainfall head. You might just be surprised at what the extra space can accommodate. 8. Utilize awkward spaces. If you're dealing with an attic bathroom and the eaves, spatial planning is imperative. Find a layout that utilizes as much of the available space as possible, even those awkward corners and sloping ceilings. For example, positioning the bath beneath the lowest part of the eaves makes the most sense, as headroom isn't really necessary, while showers and sinks are best located in the tallest parts of the room. 8. Opt for open shelving. As long as you don't clutter the shelves, open storage, which doesn't impede the flow of light, will help a small bathroom feel airy and open. Being able to see at a glance where toiletries and towels are kept is practical too, especially in family bathrooms when there's a queue outside in the morning. 10. Streamline storage. Medicines, razors, cotton buds. These are certain items that you really don't need out on display, but it can be difficult to fit bulky storage units in a tight washroom. Instead, opt for more space-efficient designs, like this tall, streamlined cupboard that's ideal for storing towels. 11. Separate the taps. If your snug bathroom will only accommodate a small bathtub, it may be easier to remove the taps and opt for a cool freestanding tap instead to work around your available space. To tie the whole scheme together, you could choose a freestanding tap for your basin in the same design too. 12. Snug bathrooms with big impact. A snug floor plan needn't hold you back when it comes to creating a stylish wash space. With the latest streamlined fixtures, space-saving storage, and on-trend decor, even the most miniature bathrooms can become beautiful, functional masterpieces. 13. Rely on reflective surfaces. Glossy bathroom tiles will reflect light around your washroom, helping to maximize the sense of space. The smooth surface makes the tiling a dream to clean, while this versatile wall covering offers plenty of scope for creativity. 14. Create a wet room. While adding a wet room to your home is more expensive than simply installing a shower, as it involves tanking or waterproofing the whole room, it can really pay off when it comes to functionality. With no need for enclosed shower doors and bulky trays, a wet room can free up more floor space, while the streamlined finish will prevent the space from feeling cluttered. 15. Experiment with ombre. This narrow bathroom is proof that you can create wow factor in even the smallest of spaces with a few clever tricks. These smart ombre effect floor tiles create the illusion of a larger space, elongating the line of sight as they move up from the floor to the side of the bathtub.